So what's up, guys? This is Crazy Maya Fan 5. Sorry about that. Sorry about breathing heavy. I hurt myself the other day where I pulled the muscle really bad. And every time I turn a certain way, it feels like somebody's like freaking jabbing me in my rib. So I had this video show up on my YouTube things to see. So it's by a YouTuber named Joystick. So Joystick, I'm calling you out on this because you fake scam people that you got banned from a mall for filming. Nobody can get kicked out of a mall for fucking filming or taking pictures. Alright? You did this. You made this shit up just so you could get more views, which is pathetic for you to do something like that just to get people to look at your video instead of being honest with them.
If you guys are watching this in the month of December, the giveaway is happening very soon, so please be alert. If you got... Oh, well, yeah, it's close. Alright, here we go. Oh, and it deviated again. What the heck?
Sorry, I'm doing this off my phone, on my GoPro. You know. So obviously he probably owns this machine, and he probably rigged it so he could get this iPhone. Let's get going.
Not even what, 4 months old yet? 3 months old? We got this. I got this. Stop it right there. Oh, no way, come on. Yes! Oh my god! No way! No way, did we just win the iPhone XR?
Now the reason why I'm making this video is because he said he got kicked out of the mall for filming. If it was like that, then a lot of people would be getting kicked out of the mall for filming.
Which one of you is Joystick?
Number one, he calls him by his name, his YouTuber name, Joystick.
You think or you know?
No, I'm Joystick. What's up?
Okay, it's a security guard, but you see right here, right there. Watch when he moves his arm.
Yeah, that's an issue. So we're gonna have to kick you out.
Are you serious?
Yes. Are you filming right now?
Huh? No. No, we're not filming.
There is no filming allowed at all. You have to leave now.
See right there?
That's not fair. I didn't
Okay,
know.
My policy.
that's an empty gun holster. What kind of fucking security guard walks around in a mall with an empty gun holster?
I mean, we didn't know, so that's fine.
Alright?
Alright, well, let's get it.
So you said you got banned and kicked out, but you got banned and kicked out by nobody. Because technically, that's not a real mall security guard, because where's his gun? You see how he's trying to block it, but he used the wrong hand to gesture, which left it open. And you can see there's no gun in the holster.
That was a really weird ending to the video, but... Are you serious? You're really gonna... I mean, we didn't know, so that's not... Alright, well, let's get it. I mean... What else? You got your stuff? Yeah. We're not filming.
There is no filming allowed at all. You have to leave now.
See right there? It's empty.
That's not fair.
There's no gun in the
My
holster.
policy. You have to leave now.
So for you to sit there and say you got banned and kicked out of the mall,
You're really gonna... I mean,
you're pathetic, dude. You staged this, and then you staged that you got kicked and banned, when technically you didn't get kicked and banned, because that's not a real fucking mall security guard. So, you've been busted.
Okay.
Alright. There you go. So, if you guys like this video, hit a thumbs up, leave any comments,
I
subscribe.
know that was a really weird ending to the video, but we did end up getting kicked out.
No, you didn't.
We weren't allowed back in the mall, and I might try to go back and film again, but there's a good chance I'm just going to get kicked out again. I was able to get the iPhone XR though, and it's super dope. I think this thing looks awesome. And guys, I'm gonna be giving.
So there you guys have it. This is look. This is right there. Kicked out for winning Apple iPhone and banned. You're full of shit, dude.